Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about tungsten electrodes and its AWS classifications. As with all arc welding processes, the American Welding Society sets specifications for TIG electrodes or tungsten that manufacturers must comply with in order to use their AWS classification identification. These guidelines specify the type of tungsten and its applications. Hello friends, welcome back to Weltech QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies, and I am Vincent. In our last video about GTAW, that is TIG welding, we have discussed about the fundamentals of the process. Today we are going to discuss about the tungsten electrodes, the various tungsten electrodes, the AWS classification and the uses. Okay, and as I explained in my last video, the tungsten electrodes are not supposed to be consumed while welding, like other welding processes, where the welding electrode is a part of will become a part of weld metal, whereas tungsten electrodes in TIG welding will not get consumed if used properly. The chemical symbol or atomic symbol for the tungsten is W, which is derived from term wolfram. Now let us see how the AWS classification is. It is EW and X. X can be anything of these. Okay, E for electrode and W for tungsten. As I just said, wolfram is W is derived from wolfram, and it is the atomic symbol or chemical symbol for tungsten, and the X is the indication of the alloys in the tungsten electrode, and the X can be any of these: EWP, EWTS1, EWTS2, EWZR, EWCE2, EWLA1, EWLA1.5, EWLA2, or EWG. We'll explain each one of that. The AWS classification EWP is a pure tungsten. There is no alloys involved that. And the color band for the electrode, the tungsten electrode is green. And this is normally works in AC polarity. You'll have to use a AC machine, AC power source. And 1% thoriated tungsten is EWTH1, comes in color code yellow, and DC and 2% thoriated EWTH2 comes in red, and again this is DC EN polarity. This is the most widely used tungsten electrode for almost all applications other than aluminum and magnesium. You are using this for carbon steel welding, stainless steel, titanium, or any metals other than aluminum and magnesium. And next in line is zirconiated tungsten electrode. AWS class is EWZR, which is currently available in white, mostly available in white color code, whereas brown also is available. And this is the particular electrode which is most widely used for aluminum and magnesium welding, TIG welding, and it uses an AC polarity. Here you will be requiring an AC welding power source. Next in line is serrated tungsten electrode, AWCE2, and this comes in gray. Previously, this color code used to be orange, but now the AWS changed to gray, and this you can weld in AC as well as DC EN. The next in line is lanternated tungsten electrode, comes in black. EWLA1 comes in black, and EWLA 1.5 comes in gold. And this also can be done using AC power source as well as DCEN, that is straight polarity. All these four are DCEN, straight polarity, and also can be weld using AC polarity. And the third one is also EWLA2 comes in blue, as I explained, AC and DC EN. The last category is rare earths. Rare earths. EWG is the classification given by AWS. Uh, Previously, this used to be a gray color, but now it has changed that there is no color given by the AWS. The user and manufacturer can give a suitable color code other than explained above. Okay, so not defined by AWS. Okay, friends, that's all for today. I'll be back with another topic. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.